Hi boys and girls. Just like I went through the multiplication strategies, I'm going to talk about long division. The good news with long division is it's actually, some people say it's easier than normal division. So let's check it out. This first one that we're going to do on the left side has no remainder. Remainder is just the amount that's left over after you've divided equally. So let's get started. This number over here is called the divisor. That's the number that's typically in the middle of the division sentence. And the number on the inside is called the dividend. That's the number that's being divided. So we have 459 divided by 9. My first step is to go digit by digit. I think how many 9s can go into 4? Well, no 9s actually go into 4. So then I subtract 0. Of course, that leaves me with 4. And this is important, bring down the next number. If you are doing your work at home and you are not bringing down the next number, or if you're just doing it in your head, you're not truly doing long division. Right now is our time that we need to be showing our work, so that way we can kind of get into the rhythm and see that not only does long division have a process, it also looks a certain way. When I brought down my second number, I now have 45. I think, how many 9s go into 45? You should know your math facts by now. If you don't, remember that you have a 9s calculator for division right on your hands. I start on the left side. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put down that pinky, and I see 4 10s over here and 5 1s over here. This is my 5th finger. 5 9s go into 45. 9 times 5 is exactly 45, so I subtract exactly 45, and I have 0 left over. I bring down my last number, which is a 9. This one's pretty simple. How many 9s go into 9? Well, 1. I subtract 1 9. Which gives me 0 left over. There's no other numbers to bring down, which means I'm done with my problem. My answer is 51, and there is no remainder, okay? Let's say there is a remainder, because a lot of times, things don't divide evenly. For example, if I brought 13 cupcakes to our class, we'd all get 1, and there'd be 1 left over, because I'm the 12th person, and there'd be 1 left over. That 1 is considered a remainder. It's just things that don't divide evenly. So if I go here, I have 877 divided by 7. Again, divisor, dividend. I think, how many 7s go into 8? Well, 1 7 goes into 8. 1 times 7 is 7. So I subtract 7, and I have 1 remaining. I then bring down my next number, which is a 7. Again, I think, how many 7s now go into 17? Well, I knew 2 7s makes 14. 3 7s makes 21, but that's too much, so I'm going to stick with 2 7s, 14. I subtract 14. 17 minus 14 is 3. And then I bring down my last number, 37. Again, I think, how many 7s go into 37? I do know that 5 7s makes 35, and 6 7s makes 42. So 35 would fit. That would be 5 7s. 5 times 7, like I said, is 35. I subtract 35. And I have 2. There are no other numbers to bring down this time. That's how you know you're at the end of the problem. But there's a number down here. This number is considered a remainder. There are a couple options. What I really would prefer friends to do right now is 125 R2, which means 125 remainder 2. If you are a kiddo that's like, Miss Sorensen, I do not like having remainder 2. This is a math problem. There should only be numbers. Then the other option is to write 125 and 2 7s. The reason 2 7s works is because it's really 2, and we wanted to divide it by the 7, but it didn't go in evenly. So either 125 R2 or 125 and 2 7s. Either one of those will work. There is a special guest that wants to wish you luck on your math work. Come on in, come on in. Luigi says, get to work, keep practicing, and stay home and be healthy. Bye, you guys. Have a great day.